Welcome to our guide to using the virtual background feature for Zoom meetings. The virtual background feature can only be used in the Zoom Client desktop app. It is not available in the web browser version of Zoom. You can download the app from the Zoom Downloads page. If you already have the Zoom app installed, click on your profile icon and check for updates. You need to be running version 5.0.4 or later to use a virtual background. Only authenticated Zoom users can use virtual backgrounds. You need to have a Zoom account and be signed into the app. If you don't have a Zoom account, you can sign up for free from the Zoom website. You can also sign into Zoom using your Google or Facebook credentials. From the app home screen, click on your profile icon and select Settings from the menu. If you're already in an active meeting, click on the arrow next to the video icon and select Choose Virtual Background. Select Virtual Background from the left-hand menu. If prompted, download the Smart Virtual Background package. This update will allow you to use a virtual background without the use of a green screen. Click on the plus icon to upload a new virtual background file. Your uploaded file will appear in the grid. Select the thumbnail to enable the background. Your background file has now been enabled. If you're in an active meeting, it will be available immediately. For the virtual background feature to work properly, sit in front of a solid coloured background. Clutter or multiple colours in the background can affect the stability and accuracy of the background. You can use almost any uniform coloured background, such as a sheet, a curtain, or a bare wall. Avoid wearing clothing the same colour as your background to avoid fading into the background. Avoid fast, sudden, or sharp movements to either side, as this may cause brief video distortion or blur. Your background will apply to future Zoom meetings unless disabled or changed. You can navigate back to the settings page at any time. For further help with the Zoom virtual background, visit the Zoom Support Centre.